Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to day 35 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit every single month. Now, we are currently at 7,928 listings that are on our account. Let's go ahead and look at our orders. Alright guys, I believe we had around 16 sales today. So one of them is at 17.60, 17.60, 29.60, 13.60 plus the $20, 3.60, 17.60, 20.60, 24.60, 54.40, 30.60, 28.60, 25.60, 23.60, 27.60, 44.60 plus the $20, 21.60, and the 21.60 is the last one. Okay, going up and checking our performance. Let's go to our traffic and have a look at how our store has been performing. We are currently at 10.5 million impressions. That's converted into 12,846 listing views. And we're currently at 170 items. And we're currently at 170 sales, minus 6 that came in the next day. So we are looking at 164 items that are sold up until today. We are currently at 0.1% click-through rate, followed by 1.3% conversion rates. The next stage would be running a tracker, pruning our store, getting rid of the items that are dragging our store down, and recycling the listings. However, as I always mention it's not only doing one thing and increasing your click-through rate and conversion rate. You have to build systems around the work that you're doing, and you're going to handle from all the way to messages to knowing how to set up your policies, how to position yourself correctly for the most amount of money, knowing how much to mark up, what items are currently selling on your store, the best quantity that you should be having in your stock at all times, how often you should be running your tracker, how often you should be tracking your items on Amazon and making sure that the price changes are reflected onto your eBay store, having nice follow-up messages, and all of these things are part of a system. Unless you bring all of these together, your store is always going to be lacking that one notch improvement that you could have had, which is like a chain effect, okay? Once you make a sale, you make more sales. Once you improve your customer service, eBay will give you more sales, and those sales will recycle back to getting more sales, okay? So everything is like a chain. Think of it like a building blocks. You put one piece together, the other piece comes together, the other piece comes together, and now the house is completed. It's the same thing here. You got to have the right systems in place in order for you to run a profitable eBay dropshipping store. It's not only pruning, it's not only doing one factor, it's everything coming together. I hope this all makes sense. So guys, without further ado, this was today's update. I will see you guys in the next upcoming video, which will be tomorrow. Stay tuned, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on WhatsApp. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.